Hey Anna, is that you? I almost didn't recognize you. It's been so long.
Tom, wow, what a surprise. It really has been a while. How are you today? You look great.
I'm doing really well, thanks for asking. It's good to see you. And you? How have things been?
I'm fine, thank you. Just taking a break from work. It's nice to run into you.
Me too. So, where have you been all this time? I feel like we haven't properly caught up in ages. The last time I saw you was at that big company party, wasn't it?
I think so. Life's been pretty busy. You know how it is. So, let's start with the basics. It's a bit silly after all these years, but what's your name? I'm kidding, of course. My name is Anna.
Haha, good one. My name is Tom, though you know that already. Speaking of things we already know, where are you from?
I'm from New York. I moved here for my studies a few years ago and just fell in love with the place. I can't imagine living anywhere else now. What about you? Are you still living in the city?
Yep, born and raised right here. So, if you don't mind me asking, how old are you? You look the same as you did back then. I swear you haven't aged a day.
Oh, you're sweet. I'm 20 years old. It's a nice age. Old enough to feel like an adult, but young enough to still feel like I have a lot to learn. What do you do for work these days? Last I remember, you were still finishing up your degree.
That's right. I'm a student, still working my way through it, but I'm enjoying it. It's a lot of work, but I'm studying something I'm passionate about, which makes all the difference. What about you? Are you still working in the same field?
I am. It's been a busy but rewarding career. You've always had such a unique sense of style. What is your favourite colour? I feel like you're a fan of something vibrant, like orange or red.
You're close, but not quite. My favourite colour is... I'd love that. So, it looks like a beautiful day out. How is the weather today? It was a little cloudy this morning, but it cleared up nicely.
It's sunny and hot. Perfect weather for a walk or to just relax outside. I'm glad it cleared up too. I was worried it was going to rain.
Me too. I had some errands to run, so let me ask you something a bit personal. Do you have brothers or sisters? I remember you were always talking about your family.
Yes, I have one brother and one sister. They're both back in Pakistan, but we talk all the time. My brother is a bit of a troublemaker, but my sister is the sweetest person you'll ever meet. What about you? Are you still the only child?
I am. So, you grew up in Pakistan. What's your favourite food? I remember you were a big foodie.
My favourite food is pizza. I know, it's not very traditional, but it's just so good. I'm a sucker for a classic pepperoni pizza. I could eat it every day. I've tried some amazing Pakistani dishes too, but pizza just holds a special place in my heart.
I can't blame you. Pizza is amazing. I'm a fan of a classic cheese pizza. Something simple but satisfying. You've been living here for a while now. Can you speak English well? You seem to be doing great.
Yes, a little. I'm still learning, but I'm getting better. It's a bit of a challenge sometimes, but I'm always practicing. It's a little intimidating, to be honest. It's my dream to be fluent, though.
You're doing a great job. I'm impressed. You're talking to me just fine. What are you doing now? Are you just on your break?
I am watching TV. It's my way of winding down after a long day. I'm watching a show about a group of friends living in New York City. It's pretty funny. Are you busy today?
No, I am free. I was just running a few errands, but I'm done for the day. This has been a great surprise. I'm glad we ran into each other. It's nice to have a chat without feeling rushed.
Me too. It's been great. You always
I'd love that. So, it looks like a beautiful day out. How is the weather today? It was a little cloudy this morning, but it cleared up nicely.
It's sunny and hot. Perfect weather for a walk, or to just relax outside. I'm glad it cleared up too. I was worried it was going to rain.
Me too. It's just so catchy. So I have to ask, what time do you wake up? Are you a morning person? I wake up at 6 a.m. I'm a morning person for sure. It's the best time of the day. The world is so quiet and peaceful. I like to get an early start on my day so I can be productive.
I agree. I like listening to pop music. It's a bit different from what you listen to, but it's so much fun. I can't help but sing along. I always feel so happy when I listen to it.
I'm more of a night owl myself. I wake up a bit later, but I like to stay up late working on my projects. It's a trade-off. Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel a lot. I've been to a few countries in Europe. It's amazing to see new places and experience new cultures. It's a great way to learn about the world and yourself.
I agree. I'm a big fan of traveling too. I've been to a few places in Asia, but I still have so many places I want to see. It's a good reminder of how big the world is.
It is. I'm glad we ran into each other. It's been so great to catch up with you. I really miss our chats.
Me too. You're a great person, Anna. So, I've got one last question for you. What's your dream? You've already made so much progress.
My dream is to speak English fluently. I want to be able to talk to anyone, anywhere, without feeling like I have to struggle. I want to be able to express myself fully.
You're already so close to that dream, Anna. I have no doubt that you'll achieve it. You're a hard worker and you're so determined.
Thank you, Tom. It means a lot to me. I'm glad we ran into each other.